In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a Squarespace site. If you're ready to stop using a Squarespace website subscription, this process is pretty straightforward and I'll walk you through it carefully so you know exactly where to click. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Squarespace account and that you're working on the right site, since canceling the website subscription will disconnect that site from your active plan. Once you're inside your Squarespace dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main configuration and account-related options for your site. If you don't immediately see what you need, just take a moment to let the menu fully load. From the settings area, click on Billing. This section contains your payment details, active services, and subscription information, since disconnecting the site is tied to your website subscription. This is the part of Squarespace where you'll manage that change. Next, click on Subscriptions. Here, you'll see the services currently connected to your account. This page helps separate different products or plans, so it's useful if you have more than one service attached to the same Squarespace account. On the Subscriptions page, click on Website. This opens the details for the active website subscription you want to disconnect. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to quickly review the information on this page so you're sure you're canceling the correct subscription. Now, click on Cancel. Squarespace may show a confirmation screen or prompt at this stage. This is normal because the platform wants to make sure you really intend to end the subscription. Read the message on screen so you understand what will happen after cancellation, including any timing related to when the site will stop being active. To finish the process, click Cancel again. This second confirmation finalizes the action and disconnects the Squarespace site from its subscription. Once that's done, the cancellation should be in effect based on Squarespace's billing terms and the status shown in your account. After you complete these steps, I recommend checking the subscription page one more time to confirm the website is marked as canceled or no longer active. That gives you peace of mind that the change went through successfully. And that's how to disconnect a Squarespace site.